In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate Gemini API keys in Google AI Studio, all in just about 5 minutes. So if you're ready to dive into this straightforward process, grab a seat and let's begin. To get started, the first thing you need to do is visit the Google AI website. You can easily find it with a quick search, or you might already have it bookmarked if you visit frequently. Once you're there, you'll notice the intuitive layout designed to make navigation as smooth as possible. Now that you're at the website, the next step is to log into your Google account. This is crucial because having access to your Google account credentials ensures that you're identified correctly and can access the necessary tools like the Google AI services. If you're not logged in already, look for the sign in button, enter your account details, and you'll be good to go. With access to your account in hand, let's move on. You'll need to locate the Get API Key option, which you'll find situated in the bottom left corner of the interface. This is typically straightforward to spot, but take a moment to scan the area if it's your first time here. Clicking on Get API Key will set the process in motion. After clicking, you'll encounter another option labeled Create API Key. This is where you get to the heart of the process. Select this option with a simple click. Some users hesitate at this step, wondering about configuration or settings, but rest assured you're on the right track, and it's designed to be user-friendly. You'll notice a prompt asking you to give your API key a name. Think of something descriptive that helps you recognize this API key later, especially if you plan on creating multiple keys for different applications or environments. It's like labeling a file on your computer. Clear naming can save you a lot of hassle down the road. Once you've named it, the next action you'll need to perform is clicking the Create Key button. When you press this, the system will generate your API key, bringing you closer to accessing the capabilities you need. Finally, the API key will be displayed for you. This is a critical piece of information, so take a moment to review it. You need to copy this key so you can use it within your project or application. Be sure to store it somewhere secure, as sharing it can compromise control over whatever systems or services you'll be integrating. And there you have it, a simple and quick guide to generating a Gemini API key in Google AI Studio. Follow these guidelines and you'll have what you need swiftly and efficiently. Good luck with your project, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.